Alright guys, and welcome to this video. So on this video guys, we are going to be talking about the Binance earning. Alright, so on this video we are going to be talking about how you can be able to earn some GON token from Binance without having to risk anything. So yesterday we actually talked about Kilo XTGE right here guys on Binance, where a lot of people made a whole bunch of money. So we participated and I kept you guys updated right here on our Telegram. So over here, these are the important information that I made until after everything. So at the end, I was able to make about 24 USDT immediately after the sale finished, and this is actually a risk-free something because all that you are using we are giving back to us, and also the airdrop was actually giving back to us, and I was able to make $24 within 2 hours of doing nothing, absolutely nothing. So on this video guys, we are also going to be talking about another opportunity like that. Okay, so right now we need to go back like this, and over here we come right here, we switch from Binance wallet to Binance exchange. Okay, so right now guys, we are on the Binance exchange right now, and for us to be able to get this GON airdrop from the Binance Launchpool, let me show you all you need to do right now. But before we go ahead and do that, please, if you are new to our channel or if you haven't subscribed yet, please kindly do well to like this video you are watching right now and go ahead to subscribe to our YouTube channel. We are heading to 10,000 subscribers. Okay, so to get started with this, what you need to do is simply come over here to the home button, and over here guys, you need to click over here on the more. Remember, this is Binance app. You click on more right now, then you scroll down until you come over here to common functions, then you click on Launchpool. Okay, so clicking on Launchpool right now, this is going to be providing you with the available Launchpool, and right here guys, you can see that GON Launchpool is currently ongoing, and about 400 million GON token we actually brought out for this. So how do you actually participate on this launch pool before in order for you to actually earn or share from this pool of 4 million GON? Let me now show you what you need to do. So what you need to do to be able to participate is that you need to stake your BNB or stake your FDUSD, or you stake your USDC. But on this, between these three options, I will advise for you to go with USDT if that is what you have. But if you have BNB, then that is even the best. Okay, so then guys, before you can be able to participate on any of these, you need to make sure that you have any of these three tokens available right here. So right now we need to go back like this, coming over here, coming back right here to Binance, then you come to your assets, and over here guys on my asset you can see I only have TON and USDT right here. So none of these were mentioned on the launch pool, so I need to convert this USDT right here to either USDC or BNB before I can be able to participate on the launch pool. So to be able to do that, I will click on trade, and right now that I have clicked on trade, then I need to go ahead and click on this to actually select the pair that I want to trade on. So I want to be trading using USDC instead, because it is a stable coin that will not fluctuate or go down on price for any reason. So right now I'll be searching for USDT pay with USDC. Okay, so okay, this is it right here, USDC on USDT pay. So I will click on it. So right now guys, I will be selling my USDT to get USDC. So right now guys, I will select market, so that I'll be using the market price. I will select market like this. So I'll be selling all my USDT to get USDC. So I will click on buy right now to buy the USDT, and immediately and automatically the token will be bought. And when I come over here to assets, you can see that now I have USDC instead of USDT. So right now guys, we click on home, then we head back to the launch pool for us to actually stake our USDC and earn GON token. Okay, that is the only way to earn from this launch pool. Okay, so but remember that all you are staking right here is going to be given back to you anytime. You can unstake any given time. Okay, so right now guys, I will click on participate, but before you click on participate, you can see we have 2 days and 17 hours left. Okay, so after 2 days and 17 hours, this pool will be over and the token will be distributed back to the participants. Okay, so now guys, I will go ahead and click on participate now, and from here I'm going to be choosing the token that I want to use. So far guys, I have USDC, but if you are using BNB, you are going to be getting additional 0.19 APR. So I will click on USDC because that is what I have. So now guys, I need to select the amount that I want to use for this. So I will select max. I want to be using everything. So right now guys, we are going to be clicking on confirm to actually confirm that we are participating on this. And then guys, immediately you can see successfully participated. And right now guys, you can see come back later to claim your airdrop. So right now guys, you can see right now airdrop token will accumulate hourly. This means that every hour you can come and check the amount of airdrop or gold token that you have gotten so far. So I will click on OK. And right now guys, this is simply how you participate on this Binance Launchpool. So now guys, you can see we have, when you click on this arrow right here, okay, when you click on the arrow, you can see that this is going to be showing you your dashboard right here. You can see this is the amount of token you locked, and after some hours you can come right here to see the amount of gold you have earned, which you can claim immediately. But remember that if you, assuming that you want to unlock and use your USDT, you can simply go ahead and click on unlock, and once you click on unlock, your USDT will be brought back to your own your own asset account or your own Binance asset, so that you can use it for whatever reason you want to. Okay, so this is how simple it is. But remember that GON will be officially listing on this date, which is on the 31st, which is exactly on the same date that the Launchpool is going to end, but it is only 3 hours different. Okay, so this is how simple it is for you to participate on this Launchpool. So if you can afford that, then it is totally free, because all you are committing right here will be given back to you without any shortage. So that is how simple it is. So let me know what you think about this project on the comment section of this video, and also join in on our Telegram channel to stay updated on all the important information that you need to be given as a crypto enthusiast. So thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. I will talk to you guys on the next video dropping very soon.